Hi everybody. Today I will explain how to make set 3 type beat. Please listen my 3 type beat.
Pause it. Pause it.
You can see my beat. Uh, First I will explain chord progression. How to make chord. This chord, what is chord? What is key? Chord is F minor. Key is F minor, D sharp, E sharp, D sharp. This is the round chord. Do you know round chord? Round chord. Okay, so nice melody. Effect. This is the piano chord and key. I will make the effect. Effect is I use the effect. Effect is wait for me for Nazat and effect. Effect is a parameter EQ. Parameter EQ. Parameter EQ is the local high cut. Local high cut. This is the low. This is the high. Local high cut. Cloud music. Check. Mm. This is the bending clock music. Left and right. You do know left and right. Bending automation clip. I forgot. Okay. The two type. I listen. Okay, nice. The bass line. This is the set move beat. Mm. Okay. Bass is the F minor, F minor, D sharp, E sharp, D sharp. This effect is parameter EQ, the local high cut and robust. Okay. Mm. So high robust. Okay, I like that. Okay. This is intro. I make it rename. This chord is true. The track two is piano clot. I'm wrong the clot. CLOCK clot. I'm wrong the spell. C Clock. Chord and chord bending bass. This four track, and next track is BG music, F minor, Asia, D sharp, start music and end music, all about that. This is the BG sound, and this banding, BG sound banding. Left and right. I like the left and right. I like the banding program. Mm, right. Mm, it's feeling it's good. Okay, all about listen. Mm. So Nike sound beat. My mind is very deep. Is next track is this is the BG music. BG music two type. This is the string rename is string etc. String, and this is the BG music voice voice BG voice. Okay, BG voice. Effect. How do you affect this BG voice? No, BG voice. Effect is uh is Nazar. I use a Nazar voice right, and another effect is this rename BG music, rename, and the Iju is, you know that Iju left and right local high cat, local high cat. Oh, so interesting. So interesting that Iju. You use the Iju. Okay, very nice. The Iju. Okay. Next is Van Hall effect. I like the Van Hall room. The Van Hall room is a rubber style, rubber style. Please check the pre-delay, the key, high gap, deep. You check, the many time. Okay, it's so nice. All listen music. Okay, intro. Oh, ah, this sound is the natural sound. This BG string is a natural music. Oh, It's feeling so good. Next is this is the transition crash. I use the crash transition. Okay. What effect? Okay, crash rename. CRUSA crash. It's important the rename. You don't forget the rename maga. Okay. So pretty. This is the my studio logo. 微保证，我会保证。Okay. All that sound. This is the club. I'm trying this the rename. So it be club. 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 Another club the kid. Kid. Chat. Do you understand? My explain the video. My English is a little weak scale. Higher. Okay. Highest bar is higher bar is three type highest. Check. Effect. I'm go to the Mesa. Mesa track. Two track Mesa. Two Hyatt. This Hyatt is loop. This Hyatt is your symbol. This Hyatt loop Hyatt. Row 6 loop Hyatt. This Hyatt is symbol Hyatt. Okay. This banding effect. Rename. You don't forget the rename. Every day I forgot the rename mark. This Hyatt. Hat. Same hat. Banding. Hat banding. Left and right. Okay. This 8-way bass. F minor, D sharp, A sharp, D sharp. This music chord. Key is a F minor. 8-way bass. A slide. It's important the slide. A sharp is slide. or dive listen. Okay. Mm. Okay, finish. Please support my channel to subscribe. To don't forget subscribe and sharing my Wheels Music channel. Bye bye.